I'm Sailor Scott. Like and subscribe to my content to see some of the craziest shit on the Pacific Northwest. This boat is tied up to the grid. The keel bolts have been taken out, and he is waiting for the keel to drop at the bottom. Right now, he's scared that the keel might pinch the fiberglass, so we're gonna hoist the mast down, relieving pressure on the keel. You can see as the keel breaks right across that line. With bystanders everywhere, I'm gonna go in for a progress update. So what's the progress? Come in. 3:45. Do you think it will raise up without the water coming over top of the
bow?
The bow?
No, I think it's designed. The only thing, actually, the keel might be a bit of a hindrance on that. But, you know, it shouldn't. There's nowhere for water to get in.